Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Unplug wireless if possible and plug a cable directly into your router because wired is more stable. Next, close bandwidth hogs like cloud backups and streaming. This frees capacity and often drops jitter immediately. Once done, open Cs2 and enable NetGraph1 to record ping and variance so you have a baseline. Make sure to run a quick 60-second test while idle in a practice match to capture steady metrics before deeper tuning. You now tune the network. Update router firmware and reboot modem and router to clear stale routes, because firmware often fixes jitter-causing bugs. Then enable quality of service and prioritize UDP game traffic or your PC's IP, which reduces competing packets during peak usage. Once configured, adjust MTU to around 1400-1500 to avoid fragmentation and turn off SIP-ALG or other traffic shaping that interferes with gaming UDP. Finally, test again in CS2 to confirm lower variance. You finish by optimizing your PC, switch to a high-performance power plan and block automatic updates and scheduled tasks while gaming because CPU or network spikes cause jitter. Change to a fast DNS such as 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to shave milliseconds and confirm results with another NetGraph test. If jitter persists, run a trace route and a few packet captures, then contact your ISP with the timestamps and variance data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.